Today we'll be starting our journey on designing a website using WordPress Elementor Page Builder. Okay, so this is a complete beginner tutorial for those of you who want to start your web design journey. Okay, so today we'll be using Elementor and WordPress to design a complete landing page. Okay, so and at the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design any website using WordPress and Elementor Page Builder. Alright, so this is the website we'll be designing. You can see this is ClassCube. ClassCube is an online management platform where you content creators, you put your content, you create your content, and then you go ahead um, and publish it. Okay, your students can come and buy your courses. You can share your link. Your students can come and buy your courses. You can go ahead and do a whole lot from it. Okay, so this is they have different plans here. You can see they have the basic, have the pro, they have the enterprise. So for this tutorial we'll be working with the pro landing page. So let's quickly go there. This is how it looks. Okay, so you can see here, become a creator. You can create your account and then start adding your courses. Your courses will appear here. You can send the link and then you publish. Okay, all right, fantastic. So this is what we'll be designing. So all you need to do is sit back in this tutorial and then ensure you're subscribed, because this is a new channel and need your likes and subscribe to keep going. Okay, so hit that subscribe button and then we'll proceed. So firstly, what you need to do is you go ahead and come to this URL. This is the tools we'll be using because we'll be working on localhost entire time. We won't be using any hosting. Okay, so this is Apache Friend. So this is Exam helps us to run websites locally. Okay, so your website, you don't need to host it before it can run. You can design websites. So go ahead and download the ones requirement for your system, operating system, whether it's Windows, you're using Linux or Mac OS. Okay, all right, and then when you are done with that, you install it. Is a straightforward process for installation, and then you proceed to this URL, wordpress.org. All the link will be in the description below. You can go ahead and click on it and proceed. Okay, so when you come to this URL, you're going to see something like this. So firstly you click on get WordPress on this side, and then you go ahead and download. This will download the latest version of WordPress. So these are the two tools we'll be using to set up our WordPress locally, and then we can begin our design. Okay, so sit back and we can begin in the next video. See you.